On today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money on Digistore24 as a complete beginner without a website. The method that I'm about to show you today is very simple and it does not require any investment. It does not require any experience. So I'm going to be showing you the product that you need to select. I'll also be showing you the traffic source that you need to use to make money on Digistore24 as a complete beginner without paying for anything. So make sure you keep on watching till the end because this video involves a lot of steps, so you need to keep watching so that you can understand each of the steps. So if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. As you can see, this is my dashboard on Digistore24 and you can see that I have made $55,496.12 on Digistore24 in lifetime. You can see the number of clicks that I've got. So this is something that you can equally do if you pay attention and follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video. So on today's video, I'm not going to be showing you how to create an account because in my previous videos I showed you step by step on how to create an account on Digistore24. The steps are even self-explanatory, so if you just search for Digistore24, you can click on join and you are going to follow the steps so that you can create your free accounts. So once you create your free accounts and log in, you are not going to see results since it is a new account, but you need to take a step so that you can get results. And what you are going to do is that you are going to come to the marketplace so that you can find products to promote. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on the marketplace right here. So once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this, and as you can see on Digistore24, they have digital products and they also have events and seminars. They have physical products. So there are a lot of products here that you can promote as a beginner on Digistore24. So no matter the niche that you want to promote products on, you can get a whole lot of different products here to promote. As you can see, a whole lot of different categories of products that you can get. So it depends on what you like. If you want to promote physical products, you can just come here, click on the physical products. Once you click on that, just click on skincare, or you can click on supplements, and you are going to get a lot of products to promote. As you can see them on your screen right now, as you can see a whole lot of different physical products that you can promote on Digistore24 as a complete beginner. So if you like seminars, you can equally click on that. You can see leadership, online marketing, sales training, any of the categories that you want, you are going to click on that and you can find products to promote. The digital products too, you can select any of these categories and you are going to get a lot of products to promote, and you are going to be earning money on Digistore24 anytime you get people to buy the product that you are promoting. So on this video, I'm not going to go through all of these categories and then compare products. I have one category that I'm going to show you which you can promote products on and then earn up to $1,000 per day or more. So what we are going to do is that we are going to select business and investment category. So just click on that. Once you click on that, you are going to see a page like this, and as I scroll, you can see products on this category. You can see the first one is crypto quantum leap. This is a product that when you promote, you are going to earn 50% commission. As you can see it right here, in terms of money, that is $395.93. as you can see it right here. As I scroll down, you can see another product right here. This product, you are going to earn 33% commission when you get a qualified sale. You can see in terms of money, that is $509.43. as you can see it right on your screen. So as I scroll down, you can see other products that you can promote in this category, and you are going to be earning money anytime you get a sale. As you can see, a whole lot of them. So we are going to be promoting one product in this category. There are a lot of them. You can promote any of these products. It depends on which of the products that you want to promote. So based on the commission rate and then the traffic source that you are going to use. So any of these products, you can select them and then promote so that you earn money anytime you get people to buy the product. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to be promoting this product right here, Project Seniority. As you can see it right here. Now you can see that the commission rate is 33%. That is low as compared to the first one, but when you look at the value of the money, you can see this one is $509, but when you come to the first one, that is $300. So obviously the second product, we are going to earn a lot of money when we get one sale as compared to the first one. So what we are going to do is that we are going to promote this one, and one good thing about this product is that it has affiliate support page, it has a sales page, so you can just click on that so that you can get resources to promote the product. But the method that I'm about to show you in this video doesn't require any resources, so we are going to be using our own method to promote the product. So what you are going to do is that you are going to get familiar with the product before you promote it. To get more information about the product, you are going to click on the sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you are going to land on this page. As you can see, it's a very simple landing page. So let me scroll for you. It has some text. As you can see, everything right here. As you can see, and that is all. So it has some text and a call to action below it. So this sales page is very simple. You can easily get people to click through your affiliate link and then purchase the product, because the landing page does not confuse them with a lot of information. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to begin promoting this product so that we can get people to click through our affiliate link and then purchase the product. So I'm going to show you a free traffic source that can potentially get you thousands of clicks for free without you paying for anything. As you can see on your screen, the website that we are going to be using on this video is wellprofit.com. This is a website that you can join to promote your products for free. So when you scroll down, you can see it has a lot of information about how they operate. I'm not going to take you through all this information, but you can see that it has over 2 million members, and you can see that they are hosting about 12,000 websites, as you can see here. So this is a very good website that you can use to promote the product. When you come here, you can see that they have been online since 1994. So this is a trusted website that you can use to promote your products for free. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on join so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your free accounts, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to start promoting your products on this platform. One good thing I like about this website is that if you want more information about how they work, you can just click on turn on live business center. So once you click on that, you are going to get somebody who is live right now, and you can communicate with the person so that you can ask all questions that you need. So as I click on it, you can see there's going to be a live video that you can watch and then chat with someone so that you can ask all your questions. So as you can see, it is loading right here.
And take massive action.
As you can
These
see,
are the principles that you have to use.
As you can see, that is a live video. So when you come here, you can just type whatever that you need and you are going to get a direct answer to your question. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to turn it off right here so that I can take you through how to run free ads on this website without paying for anything. So now that you know how this website operates, what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here, just click on free classified ads. So once you click on that, click on place ads free. So just click on that. Once you click on place ads free, you are going to see a page like this, and you can see that once you paste your ad, it is going to reach 1,638 different sites, as you can see on your screen right here. So you are going to get your ad posted to all these websites for free. You are not required to pay anything, and you are going to be getting free clicks onto your affiliate link, and anytime they purchase the products, you are going to be earning money for free on Digistore24. So let me scroll down to show you. As you can see, everything right here. As you can see, you can post ad on any of these categories that you are seeing on your screen. You can post an ad and you are going to get people to view your ad and then click through your affiliate link. As you can see, a whole lot of different categories. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to click on post ad. So once you click on post ad, you are going to see a page like this, and what you need to do is that you are going to enter the title of your ad. You are also going to add some content right here. Once that is done, you are going to enter your affiliate link here and then just click on post ad, and your ad is going to be published to be live on this particular website. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to begin posting my ad for you to see. So you are going to come back to the affiliate page of the product that you are promoting. Once you come to the affiliate page, there's a title here that you can copy and paste as the title for your ad. You can also write your own title that will get people to click through your ad and then purchase the product. So when you come here, you can see this is my title: get access to my resources to make massive crypto profits. So that is the title of my ad. The next thing is that you are going to add content here. So what you are going to do is you are going to come back to the sales page, and what you are going to do is that you are going to copy the information right here. So just highlight and copy everything. So we are going to highlight everything and then copy everything with the exception of the name. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to your ad and then paste it here. So you are going to paste the information right here. So as you can see, now once you paste the information, the next thing is that you are going to add a call to action. So we are going to add something like, for more information visit my website. For more information visit my website. So that is it. That is a simple call to action. Once you have your call to action, the next thing is that you are going to enter your affiliate link here. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come back to Digistore24. Once you're on Digistore24, what you are going to do is that you're going to just highlight and copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back to your ad and then paste your link right here. So as you can see, this is your link. Once you paste your link, the next thing is that you are going to select the category. So this is about business opportunities, so you are going to select business opportunities because it's about making money online. Once you select the category, you are going to click on post ad. So you just click on that. As you can see, the ad has been posted onto this website. So you are going to repeat the same steps so that you can keep on posting ads onto this website. As you can see right here, this ad has got 63 clicks. You can see 83 clicks. As I scroll downwards, you can see 56 clicks, and as I scroll, you can see 35 clicks. You can see right here 40 clicks. You can see 45 clicks. You can see 39 clicks. You can see 27 clicks, 25 clicks, 33 clicks. So what you are going to do is that you are also going to post your ad here so that you can get people to click through it and then purchase the product for you to make money. So you are going to repeat the same steps so that you can get a lot of traffic onto your affiliate links on Digistore24 for free. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Once again, thank you for watching. We shall meet in another video.